One reason for a lower IELTS score is using informal or vague vocabulary. Take this example. Super popular is too casual. We'll use extremely popular. Cheap becomes affordable. Not good for you is vague. We'll say not healthy. And instead of people eat it all the time and get sick or gain weight, we'll write frequent consumption can lead to weight gain and health complications. This is the improved Band 8 version. To make it even better, replace weight gain with obesity and health complications with more formal adverse health effects. This is the final version. Fast food is extremely popular and affordable, but it is not healthy. Frequent consumption can lead to obesity and adverse health effects. Here's a summary of changes. We upgraded vocabulary and improved structure. They are key to higher writing score. See you in the next video with another real Band 6.5 example. Bye for now.